Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit more photos, Fujifilm 16mm F1.4 and then 56mm F1.2, and these photos are from the existing Fujifilm X-T2. So let's get started. I'm gonna use the U3 for this one. It has higher contrast and better for the color in this case. So I'm trying to build a consistent U3 profile also, so it's pretty cool. I like the deep contrast on the U3 and the blue in terms of the highlight in the color. So, and if you don't want too much blue, you can just reduce it right here, like reduce the saturation, so that because it's like sunset hour, so it's more stand out in that. And then I reduce the highlight save a little bit. So that's the before and after. I'm gonna slightly adjust the cropping. Okay, and then save it. So once I save this one, because the next two are similar, I'm gonna paste it to here, and then reduce the exposure a little bit more for this one. Slightly rotate to be more perpendicular, and this piano right here acting like the leading line to the viewer's eyes. So the piano is acting the leading line, so you can position the camera closer to the piano so that it creates a stronger leading lines. This can apply to the walls also, so anything that you want to act like the leading line, just put your camera closer to the surface. So, and then let me update this one. Yep, these couple one are similar, and this one, let me check. I might use the C9 or I might use the C9 for this one, because last time I used the C9 for this. I like the different kind of blue in the back, and then slightly reduce more highlights in here, and then reduce the exposure and slightly rotate it. So I rotate it and then crop it closer together. And increase the sharpness a little bit more. Let me crop down more, so it's more concentrated on the portrait itself. Okay, so that's good. And I can use a similar one for here. Slightly reduce the exposure, rotate a little bit, and I might crop it down. For the completeness, I'm not cropping on the fingers. I'm just want to position the portrait toward the center also, so you have to choose some trade-off, but for those cases that you cannot crop on the joints, because it feels uncomfortable when cropping right on the joints. So that's before and after. Let me double check the C9. Yep, so I might do around 85%. I reduce a little bit more. Okay, so that's good. And then the next one, these are backlights. So let me check the U3. And then the tone, update here, and then exposure, reduce the exposure. Slightly increase the contrast. And this one we can do it even closer, to a close-up crop also, so it has a closer portrait. So next one, let's check out the next one. Still slightly reduce the highlights, increase the sharpness, update the tone. I'm gonna update the HSL. And then crop down a little bit more. Yep, so I like the backlight on the highlight on the hair also. So right now I'm just doing the last step, slightly moving the frame a little bit so that it is more balanced, left and right. Okay, so save. So the next couple one are similar. Let me double check these two. Just put the similar style on it and then slightly reduce the oh, I'm gonna check the HSL in here. Reduce the blue, increase the contrast, slightly reduce the cropping a little bit. Okay, so save it. And the next one, so let me increase exposure, reduce the blue in the back, slightly modify here, so that's good. And then the last one, so let me check, it might be too strong on the contrast. And then update the cropping. So yeah, that's it. So this is pretty quick process. And this one you can choose whether you use the 4x5 cropping or the square cropping. It has a different mode. Just depends on your feed. How do you want to crop them? And yeah, so thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.